Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to put text on a particular video. Okay, how to put your wishes, Diwali wishes on a video. I opened this video in gallery now. I opened this in gallery. I'm going to share it on video. I'm going to open it in video show. Video show. Here, this is opened in video show. Now you can see all the buttons down. These are all in video, and this is a video that I'm going to put text on. Okay, now after this has paused, I'm going to go to Pro Edit, and then there's this subtitle here. Press subtitle. Okay, now this is the bar that you're getting here where you have to put the subtitle, and this is the play button here. Now this, I'm just going to shift this bar a little to the left. You can see this bar here, and the timing here has also changed to 0.9. I want to come to 0.5 or something. Still I've got it here. See, this has come to 0.5. This is just my thinking. You can keep it to anything that you want. I want first 5 seconds to come with this video and then the text to come in. Okay, after you have positioned the place, press on this plus button. Okay, type here the text that you want. Wishing you all. Okay, this has come in. Wishing you all. Now I want to push this down here, somewhere in the center. Okay, now I want to change the color. Here, this font settings here. Color, go to this color. I want to choose yellow. Okay, yellow. Now I want default font. I'm pressing default font. Choose any font that you want. Okay, now I want, supposing I want this, but this is too small for the video, the font size. So I'm increasing it and I'm pushing it up again. Whatever size you want. Okay, now this is the place and the size and the color that I want for the text. You can put in your capitals or whatever, however you want it. Okay, now here you can see this bar here. It is giving from here to here. This text will be seen, not in the full video. Now I want to see how long this text will come. So again I am going to this font setting here. Here you can see this timer. It by default for me it is giving for 2 seconds to 2 seconds. It is giving from 0.5 to 2.5. if you want you can change it. Just tap here and say back, and instead of 2 I'll say 3. So this will go for 3 seconds. Now you can see this bar has become little bigger, but I don't want it so big. Supposing I want it less only, or let it be like that. Okay, now after this is now at 3.5. This position is now at 3.5. I will move this little to make it 4. Now you can see this has become 4. So this space is there of 5 seconds, milliseconds in between. Again I am saying plus, and I am typing a different text now. Wishing you all a happy Diwali. Okay, now whatever the font and the color I had given, it is coming same. I'm just moving it down here. You can increase or decrease the size, or if you want you can again come here and change the font and the color, but I want to keep it same for all at present. So I'm just keeping it here, just positioning it where you want it. I've given happy Diwali. Again this by default it is giving for 2 seconds here. Okay, you have to be careful how long your video is first of all. Happy Diwali. Now again I am going to, this is at say 6.1. This is at 6. This video text is getting over. I'll give a 5 seconds ka. Say supposing I am coming to 6.5. See here, it's 6.5 now. I positioned it there and I am saying plus. Now I want to add text from 50 young. I have given 50 young on the next line, but this from is not in the center, so I'll just move it. You can see I am just moving it. Okay, this is how I have given it, and I am saying okay. See here, now I can take it wherever I want it. Okay, now see here, this position here, there is a space here empty. I don't want this to be empty here, so I will again go to this and make the timing as 6 to 8 it is giving. I am giving it to 9. Go back and say 9 there. Okay, I have gone back here and I have said 9 here, and then press on the OK button. Okay, see here, this has come to 9 here, and there is a little blank space here after the 9 thing. Okay, so my video is over now. I'll just check with this play button here. I'll start from beginning. Play button. Okay, now the text has been added. Press the, if you don't want to make any changes, just press this correct button here. Done. Now you can see this video, but there is no music, so I will add music here. After I press this music button, you will get all the options here. You can choose whatever you want. No, I don't want this. No, I don't like this. Yeah, I've chosen the party. I like this party one. After you're sure, just go to this button here. Okay, it will ask you, say save to gallery first. Save to gallery. It will save, yeah, fast mode I want. Just press on the fast mode. Say save. This is saving and it is converting it to your video now with your text. Okay. Here it is done. Now if you want to share it, you can directly go here, the share button here, and say share, and then share it wherever you want it. Share it to WhatsApp here. Okay, enjoy. I hope you all try at least once. Thank you.